In this second video tutorial, we will see how to make a particular pin of digital pin of Arduino as an input pin. So for that I have connected a button here through pull down resistor to pin number 7 and one LED to pin number 13. What we have to do is, whenever I will press this button, that LED should be on, and whenever I will release this button, that LED should be off. So what we have to actually do is, we have to continuously monitor this pin number 7. So we have to initialize, first thing is we have to initialize a variable, integer type variable, suppose button, and we can store the status of that pin, input pin, in this variable, and after that we can take decisions depending upon the status of this variable. So as we have used two pins there, one for LED and one for button, so among both pins one has to be input and one has to be output. So we have instruction pin mode through which we can give direction to that particular pins as a input or output. So pin mode 13 comma output, because we have connected LED here, that's why this is output, and pin number, pin mode 7 comma input, because here is we have connected a button. Okay, this is a pin initialization, one is input, one is output. After that we have to continuously monitor the pin number 7 and store the status in variable we have initialized here. Okay, so button is equal to, now there is an instruction to read the status of digital pin of Arduino, which is digital read in bracket pin number, that is 7. So what will this instruction will do? This instruction will read the status of pin number 7 and store whatever will be the result, it will store in variable button. So after that I will use if else instructions, if else loop, to switch on LED. If button is exactly equal to 1, then digital write 13 comma 1. Okay, and else you can only write else, or you can write else if button is exactly equal to 0, then digital write 13 comma 0. I will compile this code. After that I will upload this hex file into this circuit, and run it. After that I will see whether it is working or not. Now I will press the button, LED is on, and I will release the button, LED is off. On, off, on, off. So this is it. This is how we can make a digital pin of Arduino as input pin, and depending upon that status of that pin, we can take whatever decision we want to take.